Okay, how are we going to solve for molar mass? Okay, so you're going to need a periodic table because we're going to use our atomic weights on our periodic table. Okay, so grab that. And then let's look at our first compound here. We're going to break this up into its elements, just like you did on the page before, right? So we've got one barium atom, and because there are parentheses with a 2 outside, that means we've got 2 nitrogen atoms, and 3 times 2 is 6, so we've got 6 oxygen atoms. Okay, here's where we're going to add on to it. Now we need the atomic weight or atomic mass off the periodic table. So I'm going to find barium on my periodic table, and it says right here that his atomic weight is 137. So I've got 1 atom, and I'm going to multiply that by the atomic mass, and that's where I get 137. Okay, we've got 2 atoms of nitrogen, and what's the atomic weight of nitrogen? 14. Can you see it right there? 14. Okay, so 2 times 14 is 28. And then we have 6 oxygen atoms, and oxygen has atomic weight of, can you see that? Of 16. So then we're going to multiply 6 times 16, do the math on your calculator, is 96. Okay, after we have all the totals there, we're going to add those together to get our total molar mass. Now, you'll need to learn how to do this because you're going to be calculating molar mass here, but again in the next unit and in second semester a lot. So you definitely need to know how to do this. So here on the next ones, it has space for you to do that. Notice on the right-hand side, though, there are just squares. You're still doing the same thing. It's just not breaking it up for you. So you'll still put potassium, chlorine, 1, 1. Multiply by the atomic weight. What's potassium? 39. Chlorine's 35. Do your math. And again, add them together. What is that? 14. Carry the 174 grams. Okay? Doing the exact same thing. All right? If you have any questions, let me know.